Hey everyone, this is Ebony from Tshirt.ca. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jazz up any old shirt with a cute braided neckline, like the one I'm wearing. All you need is a t-shirt and a sharp pair of scissors. I'm using a tri-blend because the rayon content makes it stretchy, but pretty much any shirt will do. First, lay out your t-shirt on a flat surface. Starting an inch away from the side of the neck, make 1-inch vertical slits along the collar. Make sure that the slits are about a finger width apart from one another all the way around. Now we're ready to start making the braid. First, we'll start on the top left corner of the t-shirt. Find your second strip of fabric and tuck it underneath the first strip. Then take the third strip and tuck it underneath the loop of that second strip. Take your fourth strip and tuck it underneath the loop of the third strip. Continue this interlocking chain with all the slits you made along the neck. When you reach the end, cut the last strip in half and tie it a few times to secure the ends. Now that we've finished our braid, we'll want to start stretching the braid out to release some tension. This allows for a more natural fit along the neckline. And there we have it, your very own DIY braided collar shirt. Thank you so much for watching.